What's up, guys? It's Kangaroo Lee going for a ride today. Another ride. Oh, I can hear the little jangling around. Listening to some bomb ass music. It's okay. It's not like I sent the address or anything.
I just realized that when I asked, I was like, wait, am I on the right?
It's all good. No worries.
Wait, did he send an address? And then I scrolled up and I was like,
Yeah, it's all good. Time to go for a ride. Maybe. Now. I bet she's cold as shit, dude. Her hands got to be like, I'm wearing these big ass gloves. She got no gloves on. Oh snap, this guy is one of the Punishers. That's the group that I just about joined. They were trying to talk me into being like their treasurer. Like I had all the paperwork and everything, and yeah, I'm not about that life. That's all. I mean, they were a bunch of good dudes. They're actually made up of like police officers and firefighters and stuff like that. I think it's mostly police officers. No, yeah, that's what it is. It's law enforcement is what it is. It's a law enforcement club, or whatever you call it. What? Just keep turning it up. This probably looks funky as shit. Why were you shaking your head? Oh.
fucking selfie stick. You with this?
Oh, I was like, I don't understand why, but okay, that's a long ways away.
I was like, what the fuck is he doing?
I got another camera so I can do extra things. It'll look cool. Trust me.
Okay.
Trust me. Well, I'm gonna put it on the back. That's what I'm doing.
Oh, okay. I was watching you. I could see you were doing something. I was like, oh, no, he's not. No, he's not. And then sure as shit, you're like, you know, just don't die trying to make something cool.
Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
You hear that?
Yeah, I heard it.
My knee.
That was your knees?
No.
Mine, I do like I lift and I put it out that way and I do that with my foot and it.
Oh, like a horse.
I was like, what the f? She still has her turn signal on. Alright. Yeah, man, I'm standing outside the liquor store. Booze Bros. Pick me up, dog. And we're in Eureka. Beautiful Eureka Springs, Arkansas. Founded in 1346. Woo! Tipsy Gypsy. That's dope. Oh.
Ooh, snap.
Yeah, boy. A lot of water. Whole lot of water.
With water, whole lot of water, and bunions.
Come on, homie, we can do this. I like that peace sign they've got right there. And we good. Oh, damn, dude. He was fully off of there. I bet your hands are fucking cold. You know what helps with that, Alyssa? Gloves. I don't know if you've ever heard of them, but they're pretty like dope. It's like the newest technology. They go over your hands. Like back in the day, they just had mittens, and shit was hard when it was just mittens around. You couldn't use your individual fingers or nothing. It was ridiculous. I'm not giving you shit, I'm just giving you shit. I'm giving you shit, but you have no idea that I'm giving you shit right now. Like, you're just listening to whatever you listen to, and I'm over here talking shit, making a video. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful day over here at Beaver Lake. It's about 64, 65 degrees Fahrenheit at the moment. And we're looking at clear skies, folks. Clear skies, clear waters, hella winds. Perfect day to be out on the water. Hella winds, white capping. Perfect day to be out on the water, I'm telling you.